Okay, so in this video I'm just going to show you how to develop a regression equation. I'm not going to do any of the interpretation until after this video, but in this video I'm going to show you how do you develop a regression equation with one predictor variable. So you're going to go up here to Analyze, and you're going to go down to Regression. You have many options here, but the one we're going to use is Linear Regression. And we are going to predict album sales. We're going to move that over as our dependent. So the key here is knowing what is your dependent variable. What is it that you are predicting? Think of it that way. And we are going to use advertising budget as our independent variable. So this is the variable that's going to predict our album sales. And that's all you need to do at this point right here. And we're going to click OK. All right, and I'm going to walk through on the next part of this page to talk about each of these outcomes, but that's how you run a regression equation with one predictor variable.